In this video, we're going to add two two-digit numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says add, and then we have the numbers 53 plus 33. So the first thing is to remember your place value. Okay, so this is the tens column. This is the ones column. The second step is to add each place value starting with the lowest place value. Okay, so add each place value starting with the lowest. So the lowest place value is the ones. So we start with that. Okay? And the third step before you start adding is to remember to carry if any place value adds to greater than 9. Okay? That's not needed in this problem. And if you need some help with carrying, I have other resources that you could look at. So if you go to the description, you'll be able to find links to other videos of mine that are like this that talk about how to carry. Okay? But for this one, it's not needed. So let's just do the addition now. Okay, so let's use the right colors. So let's add the ones. We're supposed to start with the lowest place value first. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And an easy way to do that is start at 3, then go 4, 5, 6, right? So it's 6. 5, now we go to the next place value, the higher one. 5 plus 3 is 8. And the way to do that is start at 5, then increase 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Anyone can do math. And if you need to, you can also download my ebook. And in the ebook, there's this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along with it. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening.